In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use AI and knowledge base to transform customer service. First, open your browser and sign in to your Salesforce Service Cloud account. If you're not already on the Service Cloud homepage, head to the official Salesforce Service Cloud site and log in with your standard credentials. Once you're in, look to the top right and click Setup. This takes you into the admin area where you can configure features. From there, choose Service Setup to get to the service-specific configuration tools you'll use for support and automation. In the Quick Find search box, type Einstein Bots and select it from the results. Einstein Bots are Salesforce's AI-powered chatbots that can automate routine conversations, surface knowledge articles, and collect customer details before handing off to an agent. Enabling them helps you deflect repetitive cases and deliver faster answers using your existing knowledge base. Click Enable Einstein Bots. You'll see a prompt asking you to confirm that you're authorized to accept the terms for your organization. Check the box to confirm your authorization. Then click Try Einstein. This opens a guided experience that helps you get started with a working bot framework and best practice defaults. Next, click Create a new bot. When prompted, choose Standard Bot. The Standard Bot option gives you a flexible, ready-to-configure chatbot that supports menus, dialogues, and agent handoffs, so you can customize the experience without heavy coding. Click Next to move forward. Choose Start from Scratch. Starting from scratch gives you full control over intents, dialogues, and how your bot uses knowledge articles to answer customer questions. Click Next again, enter a clear bot name. Pick something recognizable and customer-friendly so it's obvious what the bot does, like Support Assistant or Help Center Guide. Consistent naming helps with adoption and reporting. Click Next to continue. Now add your main menu options. For menu item 1, type a top customer intent, such as track an order or find an article. These are the clickable choices customers see first, so keep them short and action-oriented. For menu 2, add another common path like billing and payments or troubleshooting. For menu 3, consider talk to an agent or account help. These menu items guide users quickly and can be configured to search your knowledge base or launch specific dialogues. When you're done, click Next, then Next again to review the summary. If everything looks good, click Proceed to confirm your choices. Finally, click Finish. Your bot is created and ready for configuration and testing. From here, you can map each menu item to dialogues, connect knowledge articles so the bot can serve answers instantly, and define escalations to live agents when needed. Remember to preview and test before deploying to customers, and keep your knowledge base up to date so the AI has great content to draw from. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more.